Well, Lincoln likes the camera today. Kind of. Hello! So I showed Lincoln because he kicked me in the face last night. I got a couple little bumps and bruises. And, man, that little cut when I put the vitamin C on this morning, that stung. So anyway, I've got the new Milk Makeup Vegan Milk Cleanser, which is $30, and it's, I don't know, a grandfather, sister product to their Milk Makeup Moisturizer, which I love. Super hydrating, very great for dry skin, not so much for acne-prone skin, and the same goes for the cleanser if you've got very acne-prone skin. It's got a lot of acne-genic ingredients, so I probably wouldn't recommend playing with it, but if you've got dry skin, sensitive skin, even oily but non-acne-prone skin, it's a great cleanser. Does a great job removing makeup for the most part. It even did a pretty decent job removing my Thrive mascara, which is easy to remove, but not easy. It's just tricky. It's not hard to remove, but it just takes a little bit of effort. So, really quick, I pH tested this one, and it was pretty close to about a 7, I would say, between a 6 and a 7. So there's the stick, and there's where 7 is. So, pretty close to there. No fragrance in this one, no denatured alcohol, lots of acne-genic ingredients, though. It does a great job cleansing skin, but not leaving it feeling dry or tight afterwards, which is a chore to find. It's hard to find a cleanser that does a good job kind of removing everything, sunscreen, all that stuff, and not leaving your skin feeling dry or tight. A lot of them do that. This one does not. It's got a lot of really good beneficial ingredients in there. One of them was one that I wasn't very familiar with, but it's an edible plant. The name is Agastya mexicana hyssop is the nickname for it. Flower extract, which is actually an edible plant grown in North America, but it has some good antioxidant and skin soothing benefits. It's got oat kernel extract, shea butter in there. It also has boab extract, which is also very good for skin. So sodium hyaluronate, lots of good things. Really no problematic ingredients at all to really mention. So that's always a nice thing. No alcohol, no fragrance. Performs very nicely. Removes makeup. For when I use this one, I don't have to really use a makeup cleansing remover wipe or anything before that. Some cleansers I have that are kind of weak. Sometimes I'll remove my makeup first, or just use like a little wipe just to get most of it, or especially like the mascara, and then I'll use that. But with this one, it performed so nicely, I didn't really have to worry about that. So that was a nice thing. A little bit goes a long way. It produces a nice lather, which is also nice. A little pricey, which is about $30 at Sephora. But Milk Makeup has sales, I don't know, throughout the year. So it might be worth waiting and checking them out there. So let me check the ounces of this one. 4 ounces. So that's a little bit bigger than the average cleanser. So that's a nice thing. And a little bit goes a long way. So something worth considering. So anyway. Oh, you want to see the back of it? I don't know. Okay. Anyway, so no real issues with it. I thought I'd just do a first impressions review since I've only had it for about a week to try it out. But other than that, nothing else really too exciting or noteworthy. Does a good job. Doesn't leave my skin feeling dry or tight. And no fragrance or alcohol. So pH of 7. Pricey, obviously. I don't know. I still think spend the least amount on a cleanser. As long as you can find a good one, if you're on a budget, a decent one, that'll work a long way in your routine, and spend more money on the vitamin C, things that really do a good job for your skin. Sunscreen, obviously. I would say probably at this point, with my knowledge and experience, spend the most on a sunscreen. I think that's the real crux of anti-aging. So anyway, those are my first impressions on the Milk Cleanser. I'm interested if you guys have had a chance to try it, or if you've tried their moisturizer, which I really love. Leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Stay tuned for more tomorrow, and thank you so much.